India da ahan boina cycle thawduna national mari sakadaba MTV cycling expedition ngasi yu in Manipur parliamentary constituency MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan na lamthakre amasung Assam amasung Meghalaya da tholibi irang na maram oiraka join CSIR UGC national eligibility test net examination thakadaba state ani candidates exam eighth मैम खुरमजरी अदम ये बस इम्पैक्ट न्यूज़ ने के थोक्सोम नोजे पुजा से फाउ बिमरु पाउ सिंह मैम द बिजरी इंडिया दा अहान बोइना साइकिल थौदना नेशन मरी चटकदबा एमटीबी साइक्लिंग एक्सपीडिशन ngasi ayuk ina Manipur parliamentary constituency ki MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan na Imphal ki Kangla Western Gate ki lamthakre harba expedition ase Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association amasung National Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports NIMAS Arunachal Pradesh ani na kusamnaduna pangthokpani cycle for green art haiba thimda pangthokpa expedition adu NIMAS ki director Colonel Safraj Singh na team leader oina puna rider marina sarkyaki haiba team aduna more phauduna chatlaga numit nipuni sumna Southeast Asia gi lebak mari haibadi Myanmar Thailand Malaysia amasung Malaysia amadi Singapore ani gi border fauba puna kilometer listing mari cycle thauduna chatkadauri
It's a great opportunity for us to receive the team and to see off the team, and we wish to have a grand success and bring a good understanding among the Southeast Asian nation, particularly with the Northeast India. And I pray to God the team should reach the destinations without any disturbance and without any difficulties, and please bring the Lauren come back to the nation again with a good hope for future growth in these expeditions.
North is the CAA sanabayaning di haidon helping hand kang leipak ki sanaroi singa singamai temporary market wakar ifam satakre sanaroi singa satakiba wakar ifam aduda yes to democracy big no to dictatorship united we stand divide we fall seven sister NE is not a dumping ground for illegal migrants hainathaba placards in paiduna North is the Citizenship Amendment Act sanabayaning daba phongtokhi Matang sois da break am lojaki break ki matungda Assam amsung Meghalaya da tholiba irang na maram oiraga join CSIR UGC National Eligibility Dates Net Examination thaga da candidates sing exam yaitokhi bagi pau amadi Manipur amsung malangi tongan ba I pau sing puduna laksage Impact News mi taduna review Mayam amukar taram nok saripaleti na sige makata pau mayam da pisari Assam amasung Meghalaya da join CSIR UGC National Eligibility Dates Net Examination thaga da ba candidates singi oina housing state ani asida wariba fibam masina maram oiraga yaithokle wafam asing as examination asibu logadoriba National Testing Agency na phongdorakibani atokpa state singi oina de exam asing asi adum sathakani hairi Assam amasung Meghalaya state ani asigi oina examination gi date atuba matamda schedule taruklakani hairi Meghalaya gi is Khasi Hills ki manung sana laiba Lumdaingri amadi Sadar Police Station kon mafam sing daga se yu pung taruk tagi namidang pung tarit phauba pung tarahum doi ki curfew konthokre District Magistrate hairi ba mafam sing asigi law and order ri fibam khara phagalak padagi curfew asi konthorpani hairi panbayai Parliament Citizenship Amendment Bill pass tawkhiba kalina President ayaba pituna ek on kibadagi on kibagi thong bu yaring da phongdoktuna state asigi miyamna irang horpatagi irang atu punam thana bahaiduna mafam kayada curfew thamjilakibani Hausa sathani bahero ai leki match ngasi Real Kashmir amadi Churchill Brothers ani na lamba tongnaragani hariba match adu ngasi nungthil pung ani taba matamdagi Kashmir gi TRC Turf Ground da sanaba hokibani League asigi ngarang sanakiba match adu da East Bengal na Traubu Panjal ani amada baitiba fiki Kolkata gi Kalyani Stadium da sanakiba match adu da East Bengal gi Panjal adu Marcos Jimenez na amadi Marty Crespi na match ki taratarit amasung marfumapan supamina singlasan kibani aduga traw gi amatanga na panjal atuna Deepak Devrani na match ni pumanga supamina ta san kibani Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 ke ngasi Bengaluru FC amadi Mumbai City ani nalamba tawnaragani hariba match ase ngasi numidang pung 3 makhai tapa matamda Bengaluru gi Sri Kantirba Stadium na sanagani liga se kingarang sanake league match ta Goa na ATK bu Banjal ani mana bai tiwa fikre Goa gi Fatorda Stadium na sanake match atu da Goa gi Banjal atu Mortada Foul amadi Faran Kora Minasna match ki humpu masung humpu teruk suwa minas sing san kibeni eduga ATK game tengara ba panjal aduna Joby Justin na match ki humpu mari suwa minata san kibeni Ribida bulletin sigi headlines amuna miyanda thamjari India da ahan boina cycle thudna nation mari satkadaba MTB cycling expedition na CAU naman ko parliamentary constituency MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan lam thakre Masung asamam sa Meghalaya da tole beirang number more gat join CSIR UGC National Eligibility Dates Net Examination thagada ba state ani cadets exam yai thokre